Hi team, today I will show you a new loyalty program. Okay, it's a free loyalty program and it's very simple. It just creates discounts and shipping discounts for points, basically system. It's tier based and it's very simple. As soon as you reach the home page, you get the welcome page. There's a video to teach you how to set up the program. And once we click here, the first step would be setting it up. If I click go to setup, I would reach the next tab, or I can just click the tab here directly. And welcome in the loyalty program, I would just answer some questions. How many points give your customer for 100 British pounds? By default, it's 100 by 100. And how much discount or cashback you give your customer for 100 points? You can give them discount of 1%. For example, that means if I buy anything for 100 pound, I get £1. Does this apply to all products? If I select all products, it will be applying to all the products in the shop. I can exclude products, I can exclude collections or specific products, which means I select the products that I need. What is the maximum amount of points can a customer collect? This is limitations basically. If it stays zero, then he can collect as much as he wants. What is the maximum can a customer redeem? Also, if it stays zero, I can redeem as much as I want, or I can set a limit, let's say 500 at once. Do you want to activate the program? Yes. Save. At this stage, the program is active. It will create all the meta fields and everything, and to update the settings. The third tab, tiers, extra points, rewards, tools, analytics are to enhance the program. The tier section, I can create as much tiers as I want. So the default one is here. This is not, you cannot delete this. You can rename it, but you cannot delete it. However, the gold tier, you can edit, delete, you can add tiers as much as you need. Okay, I preset up a little bit so we can quickly finish the presentation. The gold tier, I can set the multiplier, how much this is 1.5, and to enroll in this tier, I need to have at least a minimum of 500 points. VIP, 2 times minimum of 1000 points. This is for the tiers. Extra points, so I can give extra points by products. I multiply them. So these products, you get 3x on them. I can deactivate which one I need. This one here is ignoring the tier multiplier, which means if somebody is in the gold tier, he have 2x already. And there's 3x here, so to be 6x. If I click ignore, you will not get anything. You'll only get the 3x offered by the product. Same thing by collection, same by vendor. Rewards, if somebody on sign up, we can give him points. You can give him 400 points if he signs up. Tier upgrade, if somebody is in silver, he jumps to gold tier, you can give him also extra points. On birthday, if somebody also has his birthday, then you have the option that he either redeem extra points, that means let's say you have 1000, now he can redeem 1500, or collect, that means if somebody, let's say, buys with 100, he gets an extra 200 points. There's a setup here that I need to add the field, and the instructions are here. Discount or free shipping, you can add a discount for the shipping method. This creates another discount in the discount section, and that allows you, for example, to get free shipping for, let's say, any delivery method that you select and any tier. Here is a comparison table. This comparison table is to build a table in the front end. You create as much rows as you want, and you add the section in the front end, and it will add the comparison table there. You can see here a preview. Okay, of course, this preview would be different for each theme, but the structure will be almost the same. And here is a quick link, takes you to the theme, and you can add this table. Now we have a set of tools. These tools are to adjust the points. So if I search for a customer and I can update his year, his birthday, and everything else. His current points, what's his year, his birthday, etc. I can also search by order, and I can select which order I need, how many points I got rewarded, and there's an explanation here what happened here and if the customer did or didn't get the order and how many points he got. Translations. These translations are to translate the checkout messages, which means that when the function runs, what kind of messages you want to display to the customer. The, the app is public, so all the meta fields are accessible. You can access them in your liquid files without the need to, like, they are not reserved for the app only. So you can get the customer points, customer tier, reward points. This allows you to customize it further than this. Here there's like some small codes. I wrote them to display how we can, like, for example, display the points in the customer order. To display the points, display the product points with liquid. For example, you can copy paste the snippet and it will work out. You get the product points in your liquid templates. This one here, unfortunately, it works only for Shopify Plus. And because adding reward points to the checkout or adding blocks to the checkout seems to be only available there. So this one here can only work in the email with Shopify Plus. But the same reward points can be added to the cart, so he can redeem before reaching the actual checkout. There's analytics. Analytics is just simple. It picks up the order and gets you how much redeemed versus rewarded points for each, let's say, for the clients. If I go back to the welcome page now, the program is active. Now I need to add the displays. First thing, okay, so when you reach the theme editor, you can add some blocks. You can add them in the footer so they can show everywhere. Okay, so we have like 7 sections. Message, redeem form, rewards points, customer, whatever is tagged with customer requires the customer to be logged in. And product appears on the product page, tier appears on the customization page, comparison table. I will add the cart redeem for first. We can update whatever we need here. And it shows redeem my points because here I'm logged in. If I'm not logged in, it will not show. I can also use JS here to add it to the drawer or anything that's related to JS. So I can click here, automatically add to cart. What happens here is that this selector is for down theme, but it can be customized to any other theme that you need. So if you clicked here, you can see it goes here. And it's reactive. So if you update the card, for example, you will still get it again. This is the customer redeem for, where it allows you to redeem the points. This will not show if the customer is not logged in. Second lock is the reward points. For example, my order is 2,357, and it will tell you can earn 2,357 points from this order with our loyalty program. Of course, you can add links, you can customize it as you like, and also you can add it to the card via JS. So it will appear in the drawer if needed. So if I click on the drawer here, then I can see it. I can adjust the position also. Instead of showing above the redeem for, I can say give it right. Now it will show under. Depends on the order you would require. Simple. Now, third one, card point messages. This card point message is to customize the experience. Okay. Supposedly right now you want to display a message if the customer tier is in, not in, whatever identifier is the slug there in the tier. So if I say silver here, then this message will show if tier is silver or gold. Example, this message. Also, customer points I need to activate. It's a mix and match, so it's always and. So customer tier, customer points must match. If I activate them both, then they have to match until the message is displayed. This the icon and the message is here. For example, birthday message, which is the simplest. If today is my birthday, I can set on birthday and enjoy birthday points for your birthday. You can use any of the variables here to modify the message there. So these are the points message. Of course, right now it will not show because it needs to show in the backend, the front end, sorry. Here there's no customer, there's no actual customer, it's just demo customer. And we have also customer reward history and customer tier. The history here would appear on the customer account if you have a classic customer account. Okay, since there's no customer here, it will not show anything. To show just a message should be only added, and but in the front end it can be shown. So if I go here and if I look at the front end, this is the reward history. My order, how much I redeemed, how much I rewarded. It's reset the app, that's why it's not showing anything. And the fourth one, the apps, customer tier, shows customer tier there. Also here it doesn't show because it cannot be displayed, but here it does show. And there is also product reward points, which should be on the product page. It will not work here. Tier comparison table, which could be on the loyalty page, but I can display it here also. The tier comparison table picks up the tier table that we set up in the app section, and you can see how it creates a table. It's responsive and everything for all, say, the offers that you have. It's fully customizable, colors, fonts, fadings, etc. Now if we go to, say, product page, okay, I can see I already added it here. So this is the product reward points, it will tell you how much reward points you can get from this, from buying this product. You can get 1025 points from this product with our loyalty program. Also, the icon, everything can be customized. This is the 7 sections that we have. Then we have also some other sections, which goes in on checkout and customer page. On the checkout page, we have 2 sections, the points. Okay, so here I can customize, or I can put the URL that I need to modify it, whatever I need, whatever is permitted on the checkout. You can customize the points here. Show birthday message, it will add a birthday message under it. Currently, you need to test this with updating the birthday on the tools page. Second is redeem for. You get also a redeem for. Simple. You can hide the dividers if I don't want them. Turn down the section if you left. You can hide the help. Keep. You can also the options redeem or apply. You can translate all this with translate another type. This is the checkout. Let's move to redeem for. Or checkout here. Redeem. Don't miss out. If I'm not logged in, if I'm logged in, it will tell me how much rewards I have. We have also thank you page. You can add a block, banner here. Also, congratulations. This is a star banner. Let's say like 80, for example. Or I can use different, like this, which is 40. Depends how would you like to customize this. Then it's there. We have the customer accounts, status page. Also, you have the block, reward points. This will show, for example, how many points. This is 0 points because there was no way of it. Will not show if it's 0 points. It's just showing here for demo. Also, I can add like this. Whatever supported here, or I can put the link directly to an SVG or anything, an image. And select backgrounds.
Okay, so after the order status, we can go to the order index page. Okay, there's also set of blocks we can add. Loyalty tier, reward history. Click on loyalty tier. I can see customer tier. Of course, there is some labels here to add button, for example, continue shopping. So it adds 2 or 3 buttons. It updates here the benefits. For example, if I need a link on top, and here it is. So this kind of like customizations it supports for the customer tier. Second, we have another one which is the history. Of course, also this one have like a history about the rewards that the customer got. So let's see how it looks like. And this one here, stored. How much he redeemed, rewarded. Now it's 0 because I reset the app, so there's nothing saved. And this is it. This is everything I covered right now. Hopefully I did not miss anything. And the remaining from the welcome page is just more plugins, which is my other plugins. And if somebody wants to submit a request or support, then he can go to this form here. Thank you, team, and hopefully you will like this app and it will get approved. And thank you.